Here is how to use Optimism on MetaMask step by step. First, open your MetaMask extension or app and log in. Tap the network drop-down at the top and click Add Network or add a network manually or add a custom network. Now enter these Optimism network details. Tap Save and MetaMask will switch to Optimism network. To choose it, click on the network drop-down again and select Optimism. To start using Optimism, you'll need Ethereum bridge to Optimism. Go to app.optimism.io/bridge, connect your wallet, and bridge Ethereum from Ethereum to Optimism. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. After a few minutes, your funds will arrive in your Optimism wallet. Now you can use apps like Uniswap, Velodrome, or Aave on Optimism with low gas fee and fast transactions. And that's how to use Optimism with MetaMask, fast, scalable, and DeFi ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.